Hello, welcome to Tahila Graphics. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to design this pin. Alright, so the first thing we are going to do is to bring in a square. Alright, so we go to rectangular tool and we bring in the square. Alright, we click on shape tool. Okay, we shape the edges. Alright, so the next to do is to turn it. We rotate it. Okay. You see it? So the next to do is to bring in another square. Okay, we align it. Make sure you align it. Okay, this is what we have. Alright, we click the shape tool again and okay, so this is what we have now. We zoom. Okay. So we align. Alright, so we got the alignment. We select both of them and we group, we weld them together. Okay, so this is what we have now. Alright, so the next to do is to draw a rectangle. Okay, so we select shape tool and we shape it. Okay, so next to do is to add color to both of them. Okay, and the next thing to do is to save these two as pink. Okay, we are going to remove this. We are going to remove this. Okay, Control X, we delete it. Then Control E, we are going to export as ping. ping 01. Okay, with spots. Okay. All right. We get back to the ones we deleted and we place the second rectangle, then we delete this. Ctrl X, we remove it. Ctrl E, we ping 2 with spots. Okay, we bring them back. All right, so the next to do now, sorry, we are going to change this. Okay, so this is what we have. We are going to remove this again. Ctrl X, Ctrl E with spots. Okay. All right. We take them back. All right. The next thing to do now is to go to Photoshop. Okay, we go to Photoshop and we are going to bring in a text effect. We go to desktop, then we bring in our text effect. Okay. We remove this, open, we go to desktop and we bring in the text effect. Okay. We are going to use this. Okay. Okay. We go to download and we bring in the ping. Okay. And we click on to close it up, we say yes. So this is what we have. We save as ping immediately. Okay. So we are going to okay. Okay, we bring in the second one. Okay, you say yes. All right, we save export as ping. All right, so we leave Photoshop and we get back to CorelDRAW. So we remove this, okay, and we bring in the both of them. Okay, all right, we bring this closer. Okay, all right, you get this here. This one we crop it. We crop it again. Now, while working with Photoshop, you can remove the shadow from Photoshop. Okay, so this is what we have now. So we stretch it. We bring this forward. Okay. All right. We copy. So this is it. Okay. We can stretch this. Stretch it back a little. All right. Okay, we go a little, go again, then we bring it closer. Okay, so we select both of them and take this up. So this is it. We group them together. So that is it. This is what we have. Now to change the texture of this, you can use a different text effect, okay, in Photoshop to get exactly the color that you want. Okay, so this is the ping that took me days of research to get. Thank you so much for watching.